Hey y'all, it's Alec from Sharing the Journey. If you've been watching my Fit to Fat Fridays, you've seen me drinking, I think last week I debuted it, my fruit smoothie that I have for breakfast. I use frozen fruit. It's 230 calories. So let me tell you what the ingredients are. I'll list them all with the directions in the description below. But I use frozen fruit. That way you don't have to use any ice. I use the tropical fruit melody. It's got mangoes, papayas, pineapples, and sliced strawberries in it. 3/4 of a cup is the serving size. We use a large 1 cup. So I use 1 cup. It's a little overflowing, so the calories are going to be a little bit more. I use 2% reduced fat milk. It's right here, 3/4 of a cup. And then a 1/2 cup of your favorite fruit juice. I use the tropical punch. I figure it goes well with the tropical fruit melody. So let me show you how we do this. We take our little bullet type blender, which I will list in the description below in my Amazon affiliate link. I will say that this blender we've had for about 6 years. We had it before we became full-time, and it is no longer available. I will find the closest thing to it in Amazon, and I will list it below. And so, first thing you do is you add your frozen fruit into your blender cup. I did wash my hands. Really doesn't matter because I'm the one drinking it. And then I add my 3/4 of a cup of milk. I prefer 2%. If you're lactose intolerant or any of that stuff, you can use almond milk, coconut milk, or whatever. And then I will add my juice. You can see it almost fills up the blender. I did not say this. You can get juice that is less calories. This is 80 calories per serving. And then what is the milk? The milk's 130 for 1 full cup. So let me grab the rest of the blender here. Let me put this on upside right. I give it a good shake, not that it matters. Stick it in the blender. And what I do, since it's got the frozen fruit in there, is I take it off the blender a few times, shake it up. Let me get my cup. And my straw. And there you have a delicious breakfast smoothie. You can enjoy at breakfast. I'll come home and fix them at night for if I'm get a sweet tooth at night instead of eating chocolate and whatnot. I'll just fix one of those. It's healthier for you, a lot less calories.